Hello everyone, welcome back to another great episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Today we are doing a video making a Jaggery brittle. We're going to be using cashews to do that. We're going to be using a tablespoon of ghee. I've got a pound of Jaggery here, and then I've got a pound of cashews that are roasted and salted. So now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be making it in this frying pan. This is from Mealthy frying pan. They sent this out to me to give it a try, and I thought, well, you know, the best thing to do in this pan, the first thing I want to do is to make this gooey thing, because the temperature gets really hot. That way we'll be able to also test, you know, the handle, because it claims that the handle stays cool. So this is actually going to be a giveaway. So Mealthy is giving one away to one of my subscribers that is subscribed, that has liked this video, and leave a comment below. The only thing is that this giveaway is only for the US subscribers, US viewers. So make sure and leave a comment down below. Send me a fun comment. Tell me what you like about my videos. What do you want to see next? Have you made something from my videos? Fun stuff. I reply all my comments back, and I love the interaction with you guys. So let's get into this. So there is a surprise in there. I would have missed it. A really nice silicone spatula. I love these things. I love those little free things that they send out. Okay. So, wow. This is really nice. Actually, I have some pans, but this one here is really nice. You can tell that it's quality because it's nice. Not very heavy, but you can tell that it's made really well. If you order this and you've got $59.95 and above in your cart, you will get $10 off. In the coupon code down there, you will have to put Raihana's Cuisines. Just make sure and check out the description box below, because I'm going to put down all the rules and everything under there. So just go ahead and check that out. What we'll do is, when this gets really hot, when we're making our Jaggery, we will see if the handle is, like they say, is it cool to touch or not. It provides even heating. It claims that it's easy to. The most important thing that I wanted to mention is that they're saying that this is dishwasher safe. So that is perfect. Now you can wash it by hand with you know, soapy water, but it does claim, and it also is safe up to 500 degrees. So let's go ahead, turn our stove on. First things first, I am going to put my ghee into the pan. Let this melt just a little bit. Basically, I have put this on a medium low. It's not high, because you have to have control over how fast this is going to heat up, and it's going to cook pretty quickly once it reaches that temperature. So you want to make sure that you stir it around now and then, and the color is going to turn really nice and dark. Not very dark, but I'll show you. A couple ways that you will be able to tell that this Jaggery is at where candy temperature is. One, we can just you know, take some and drop it on my counter. I've got a granite counter, so it'll cool down, and when I take it out, it's going to be nice, and just like how candy is, it's going to be hard, so when you eat it, it's going to crack. The other way you can tell also is by putting it in water. So I have a little tray sitting here. I'll show you that. We'll just drop it in water, and as soon as you take it out, it should just break like candy. All right. So that's exactly how you want it. So I'm just going to go ahead and cook this, and then I'll show you what it looks like when I feel that it has come to that temperature. Look at the color. It's getting really nice and amber. So at this time, I'm just gonna drop some onto my counter, and then I'll drop some into the water here. And I have lowered the temperature more So, yep, it's there. So I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off. And now I'm gonna go ahead and add my cashews in here. Give this a nice stir. Wow, it's not even sticking. The temperature is super hot. Guess what? The handle is as cool as a cucumber. Now, I have a Silpastat here, which is just like a mat that you can use for hot stuff. So I'm just gonna put it on there, and I have greased it with my ghee. I'm gonna flatten. I honestly don't remember the last time I made that has been so easy for me to make. This is perfect. All right, I think we've got it as thin. Now, if you wanted it even thinner, I have the other side is also full of my ghee. You can just put that and just kind of flatten it out, or take a rolling pin and flatten it out as well. So just a couple different ways that you can do this. So if we get into the, see how you could tell where you dropped it? I don't know if you can hear that. It's just like candy. So it's as hard as a candy, see? So that's how you know that it's done. All right, look at this. So if I see how hard this is, see how hard that is? So it's really nice, cold to touch. Now we're gonna be washing this. I'll show you that. But before we do, look at this. It turned out really, really good. And what I did, put a little bit of ghee on my knife here so it doesn't stick. This is a really good sign that the jaggery has cooked really, really well. And if I try it, I don't know if you can hear the crunch, but the salt is just a really good thing that I used the salted cashews. Look at that. See that? And I don't like them to be one size. I like them to be like, just like cut them just like that. All right, so I cleaned it out. I didn't have to scrub or anything. It just had water sitting there and it just slid right off. So this is perfect. This is awesome. I'm gonna use it right now again. The Cashew Brittle turned out amazing. I already did a taste test, and when I was doing it, I'm not gonna do a taste test again because it is jaggery, it is healthier, but if you're diabetic, it's still sugar and it's something that will spike up my sugar. So super crispy, super happy with it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check the description box below for all the rules on the pan, and I wish you all good luck. I hope one of you can win this and use this. And whoever does win this, I would love to hear back. Just comment back and tell me what you guys think of using this pan. I would love to get some feedback from you. So thank you so much for joining me on this episode of Raihana's Cuisines. Hope you can join me here next time with another great video. See you then, friends.